Hi, I'm Lynn, Muashekele, currently living in Walfish Bay, but a born and bred Cape Townian. I have come to the shores of Namibia somewhat 28 years ago, and I find myself in a place where, like David says, your boundaries, Lord, have fallen for me in lovely places. But that has not always been the case. As a mom of two beautiful young children, I have also experienced the ups and downs and the adversities of life. But I have an anchor that holds. And I want to share with you my testimony, a testimony of the realness of God in my life, where I have come to a place that religion is not what holds me to God, but it is an intimate relationship, a desire to grow in the knowledge of who God is, that has sustained me and has brought me through the most difficult times in my life. So I would like you to tune in, because I am so eager to share with you my testimony. It is a testimony of how God will pick you up from the lowest point in your life to bring you to a place where you can also say, "Thank you, Father. Your boundaries have fallen for me in lovely places."